She in love with that sativa. When she blow that dope inside her lip. Hey guys, Colleen here. Welcome back to my channel. And we're going to do a little DIY today. You're not going to see much of me. I look like a hot mess, but that's okay. We're about this DIY today. Whenever you're seeing this on your computer or smartphone or tablet, yada yada yada. So what you're seeing me here is opening a very well packaged box from Brandsource, aka Trinidad IKEA. So I purchased a 5 shelf shelving unit from Brandsource. It cost me like $1,099. I purchased the one that is a mix of laminate wood and metal because I hear a lot of complaints from people that the laminate furniture, like, it dry rots and collapses pretty quickly. So I was like, you know what? Let me try the metal and laminate. That seemed to be a little more on the secure side. So what you see me here doing is basically struggling with the packaging. It was well packaged. So everything came intact. Nothing came damaged. Thank God, you know. But of course, to get everything out was a struggle. You didn't see me struggle all the way. You just see me struggle a bit. But yeah, so when I open it up, as you see here, it came with the instructions. It came with a Phillips screwdriver and flathead. You could kind of alternate it, which I find was really cool. And it came with a picture instruction leaflet to show you the parts and where the parts go. This here is definitely a minimum two-man operation because of the sheer size of the shelving unit. It's pretty big because I'm like 5'7" on a good day, and this was taller than me. It was close to 6 feet tall. So yeah, get a friend to come help you. But this is what the metal frame looks like when you construct it, right? And I'll insert a picture of what the actual shelving looks like in its natural state in case you just want to keep it as is. So here I'm using a bonding primer. This is one that's specifically designed for hard to paint surfaces. So metal, laminate, plastic, rubber, anything like that. What I suggest you do when you use any of these aerosol paints, paint it outside in a well-ventilated area. I'm standing downwind because it was really breezy that day, so I was trying not to inhale it. This is the Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint and primer. I got it in the gloss white as well as the gold. The gold I used on the frame and the white I used on the actual shelves. And this is what it looked like, you know. After it dried pretty quickly, but I would say leave it for a couple of hours to dry because, as you could see there, part of the frame got dug. And I feel that's because we were rushing it. So, of course, you know, I did have to touch up on that because it was driving me nuts. But I love how this shelving looks. Like, y'all, I saved so much money because something like this costs like $5 to like $1,000 online, because I was looking at them on Amazon and I was like, I'm not paying that price. Let me do my own thing. And this is what it looks like in my little beauty room. It just fits with the decor nicely. Like, it doesn't take up too much room, but you could see it gives a lot of storage. And I am so pretty pumped to decorate this bad boy. You would not believe. Okay, guys, so this is Monday morning now, Carnival Monday morning. I would have painted this on Saturday, left it to dry all of Sunday, and that's the water pump. Don't study it. And this is the overview here. So on the top shelf, I have my Victoria's Secret's Ultimate Exploration set with all the core body mist, the mini body mist here on display. I did do a video on it. I'll make sure to link it in the description box. And I put some flowers and a candle from Forever Mood. On the next shelf here is my perfume tray for the week, I guess. Well, perfume tray for currants. And here are my miniature perfumes. This is my miniature perfume collection. The rest of my perfume collection is in that drawer there, and then that drawer there is for more Bodymist. I know, don't shoot me, but yeah, you know how it goes. Not to say that I'm using it as an excuse to buy more, but I have room. And here I have my body creams lined up in the back, and my Victoria's Secret mist and pink body mist on this this expandable spice tray. I prefer this to the regular perfume risers. This just a little sturdier than, you know, I don't want nothing falling and breaking. And then down here is my Bath and Body Works collection here. I did place 2 orders, one Victoria's Secret and one Bath and Body Works for the President sale online. They had a $5.95 sale, so more coming, guys. A haul is coming soon. And down here is just some empties and more space. But this is the overview of the bad boy. Sorry if the lighting sucks right now. Let me just go on this side. Maybe this might work. Yeah, but this is it here. I really am very happy with how it looks. I came out better than I expected. And of course, this is not the final look of it. It might change again. Let me know if you want me to do like an in-depth collection. My collection isn't the biggest, but it is growing. So maybe like probably after an SAS, I could probably do it. Just let me know in the description box below. And yeah, really enjoy doing this DIY, and I really love how it came out. You know, hopefully this might inspire someone to do it or just try something different. Definitely want to do more projects. Can't wait to do the next one. But yeah, that is it. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Sit back, watch her pose like Mona Lisa. She switch it up on me, I cannot keep her.